Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how you can turn an image into the Ghibli style. So all you want to do is get over to Chrome and in your search bar type ChatGPT. And I'll provide the link in the description. Click on the first link. Then in the prompt, you want to type exactly what I'm typing. So turn this image into an Art Ghibli style. Before you hit enter, select the plus button and upload from computer and select the image you want to turn into. There we go. And then click and it should take. And once that's done, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.
Yeah.